Dear students, one see. If x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0, then find x plus 1 by x whole square. Simplify this value. So answer is coming 54. Let us see how. X square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0 means what you are observing, dear students? Anyone? Clearly, omega and omega square are the roots of the given equation. So directly put x is equal to omega or minus omega in this case. Directly put x is equal to omega square. Now suppose put omega, x is equal to omega. What is the answer? 1 by omega means omega square. 1 by omega square means omega. Fine. So here, omega plus omega square, first term. This is the second term. See, this is the third term, like that and so on. So what you are observing from these cases? See, power is multiple of 3, omega cube. Here I don't see somewhere here. Omega cube, omega power 6, and so on. Here, how many terms are there? There are 9. But this value is how much coming here? 2 is coming, see, 2 square. 2 square. So like that 2 square means how many terms are there? 9. There are 9 terms are there. Fine. Omega plus omega square. Omega plus omega square is how much? Minus 1 whole square. So that is also repeated how many times? 1 time. Like that. This one also. So like that here 9 plus 9 into 2 square means totally 54 is coming. So these type of, sir, how many combinations are there? Omega, next omega power 4, omega power 7, and so on like that only. Next, omega square means omega square, omega power 5, omega power 8, and so on like that. That's the meaning. Omega cube, omega power 6, omega power 9, up to omega power 27. How many terms are there? 9. This one also 9. This one also 9. 3 9 is 27. There are 27 terms are there. So these combinations always 1. These combinations also 1 is coming. But these combinations 4 is coming. See. So please write down this one. Still, if anybody need, a brief I wrote here, say wrote here. Next question. Find the common roots of this equation. Find the common roots of z cube plus 2z square plus 2z plus 1 is equal to 0 and 1. How to find common roots? Just see, sum of all the coefficients of z is equal to, not equal to 0 is coming. Then what to do? What is the concept here? Anyone? Sum of the even powers of x is same as sum of the coefficients of even powers x is same as sum of the coefficients of odd powers of x. Both are same. Then clearly z is equal to minus 1 is the root. Put x z is equal to minus 1. So after that, apply synthetic division method, long division method, whatever you do. So you're getting c z square 1 into z square plus 1 into z plus 1. Fine. What are the roots? Clearly z is equal to omega and omega square. So minus 1 is not satisfied the second equation. But what they are asking common roots. So z is equal to omega. Put. Check it whether it's getting 0 or not. So definitely 0 is coming. Then what you can say omega is common root. Similarly, put z is equal to omega square. This one also coming 0. Therefore, omega and omega square are two roots, common roots. So please tell me after completing anyone. We will discuss number of problems. Okay, completed. Good. Still, concept is there here. More concept is there. Okay. Now, see, J mains question is one. Sigma k running from 1 to 6. I think this one is completed. Am I correct? Sin 2 pi k by 7 minus I into cos 2 pi k by 7. It's one. So from this case, take minus I as a common factor. Take minus I as a common factor. Fine. So in this case, adding one, subtract one. In this case, put here inside, adding one, subtracting one. Why? Because this is nothing but sum of the seventh roots of unity. Sum of the roots of seventh roots of unity is 0. That's why I'm getting a minus I. Yesterday I told you. Anyone getting this one? Sigma k running from 1 to 10. Till now, no one is submitted solution. Okay. Yeah. Minus I is coming. Okay, next question, right now. Oh, just a minute. I'm adding slides. Right now. Plus, yeah. Dear students, if x plus 1 by x is equal to 2 cos theta, then x power n plus 1 by x power n is how much? What the answer? See, this time what to solve here? See carefully. Anyone? Given x square minus 2x cos theta plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 cos theta plus or minus root over. How much is coming? 4 cos square theta minus 4 by 2. So 2 cos theta plus or minus sin theta I by 2 cos theta plus or minus I sin theta x is equal to, you are getting this one, see? So what is the meaning here? If x is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, for example, dear student, this is e power I theta, for example. Then what is the x power n value? Cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So therefore, 1 x power n plus 1 by x power n. What is the answer is coming in one? E power I n theta plus e power minus I n theta. So cos n theta 2 times is coming, that is the answer. Imaginary part is cancelled. Is right on? Okay, no problem. Verification also no problem. JEE Advanced question. Okay. So that convert into subjective question. Actually, it is the objective question. So that the complex numbers whose real numbers are means whose real and imaginary parts are integers and satisfying the equation z into z bar whole cube plus z cube into z bar is equal to 350. Form a rectangle in organ plane with a length of its diagonal having an integral unit. Anyone tell me? So form a rectangle means what is the length of the width? I mean breadth and length. What is the area of the rectangle? So you can convert like this one. Anyone? First of all, consider let z is equal to x plus 7. Here students, previous advanced version. What the condition is given? Z into z bar whole cube plus z cube into z bar is equal to 350. Dear students, here what is the maximum possibility is that z into z bar means z square plus z bar square is equal to 350. Z into z bar is how much, anyone? That is mod z square. That means directly I'm writing x square plus y square. Z square plus z bar square, anyone? That is 2 times x square plus y square. Already x square plus y square, x square minus y square. That means minus is coming this one. Minus y square is equal to 350. Clear? Z bar plus z bar square means x plus I whole square plus x minus I whole square. We can get 2 times a square plus b square formula. Z means only x plus I y. Z into z bar is how much coming? X square plus y square. Please like that. Check it. Any objection? Z into z bar is how much? If this is not sufficient, z into z bar is how much? Mod z square. So root square root cancel. Fine. X square plus y square into x square minus y square is how much? 175. Fine. So this one I can write 175 means how to write? 5 into 5 into 7. 25 into 7. 35 into 7. You can write any combinations. Okay. Don't say 1 into like that. That is not possible. Okay. So among these cases here, how many cases are there? 1, 2, 3. Okay. We are getting different cases. But what is the condition is given? Integral units. You know what here? Real part and imaginary part means what here? See here given Yes, sir, here only. Real and imaginary part must be integers only. Which case it is coming? That means only x square plus y square. Positive means biggest number. X square minus y square is equal to 7. Rest of the cases not possible. Verify. Fine. Dear students, add them. 32. 32 means forget 16. So x can be plus or minus 4. Subtract. 2y square is equal to 16. How much coming here? 25 minus 7. 18. So 9. That means plus or minus coming means y is equal to plus or minus 3. Okay, fine. So z is equal to x plus iy means what are the possibilities are there here in a one? X means 4. That means plus or minus 4 plus or minus 3i. So rough diagram taking here students 0. 1 is 4, 1 is 3. Minus 4, 3. Minus 4, minus 3. 4 comma 3. So clear? Form a rectangle C. A, B, C, D. So we are getting 4 complex numbers here, students. So verify whether it is form a rectangle or not. Clearly, AD is equal to BC and AB is equal to CD. So this length is how much? 8. This length is how much? This is 4 minus 3, 6. This is also 6. So this will form a rectangle. Okay. Now what they are asking? Form a rectangle with the length of its diagonal. Length of its diagonal, how much is coming? AC is how much? Anyone? Find out, please find out anyone? Anything? 4 plus 3i. Find the difference. Minus of minus 4 minus 3i. Modulus. Take the modulus. How much coming? Anyone? 8 plus 6i is coming. So what the result is coming? Anyone? 10 is coming. Python is clear on this one. Root 10 is not possible. 10 only. That is root 100 actually. See. Who is that here? Who is it? Pawan, check it. As is correct, your answer is. Pawan, check it. Root 100 is coming. Check it. Okay, no problem. So that is the proof for you. So give the conclusion here. Therefore, A, B, C, D form a rectangle. So please write down. Write down. Geometry with complex numbers. I'm dictating, please write down. Hurry up. First one, what is the case here? Excel formula. So dear students, suppose P of Z, write on. If P of Z divides the line segment joining is the P, some A, B, you can take like this only. One is A of Z1, P of Z, P of Z2. Line segment joining means A of Z1 and B of Z2. And what ratio internally? In M/N ratio. Then what you can say, dear students? Z is equal to what? M Z2 plus N Z1 by M plus N. Same concept. Externally, same story you can write on. Based on this one, I'm giving a conclusion. What is that? One. In an acute angle triangle, ortho center H, centroid G, and circumcenter O are collinear. And Hg is to GO. What is the formula? 2:1. Center divides ortho center and circumcenter in 2:1 ratio. 2. What is central formula? That is Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 by 3. Means in a triangle ABC. Okay. If the circumcenter of a triangle formed by Z1, Z2, Z3 is origin. Suppose circumcenter is origin. Dear students, see, this is very important. Then what you can say? Then its ortho center is Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. So please write in this part. Dear students, I'm giving a question based on the section formula. Write down. Otherwise, you can copy it later. Write down problem. Generally, sometimes they're asking questions like this one. Z1, Z3 like that are 3 non-zero complex numbers such that Z3 is equal to 1 minus lambda into Z1 plus lambda into Z2, where lambda belongs to R minus singleton 0. Then prove that Z1, Z2, Z3 are collinear. How, anyone? Three points are given. So how is that? Z3 is can be written as combination of these cases. 1 minus lambda into Z1 plus lambda into Z2. Then prove that Z1, Z2, Z3 are collinear. Is there any logic here? Don't say flow slopes. We are not using the word. Try to avoid using the word slope. Okay, I don't know what is slope. Dear students, see what is given. Z3 is equal to 1 minus lambda into Z1. So what I'm doing here, see carefully, by 1 I'm writing. By 1 is there, no? So in this case, minus lambda plus lambda adding. So what is the meaning here? Hence, Z3 divides line joining A of Z1 and B of Z2 in the ratio. At what ratio, anyone? That is lambda is to 1 minus lambda. See carefully. Therefore, Z1, Z2, Z3 or Korea. That is the answer. And what ratio? Lambda is to 1 minus lambda. So this is the concept I'm giving. How much is required? I'm giving. Next. Equation of the line. Equation of the line passing through. Equation of the line passing through the points Z1 and Z2. Equation of the line passing through Z1 and Z2. Dear students, see, this is the one line is there. A Z1, Q Z2, P of Z like that. What is the meaning here? Equation of the line joining. Equation of the line Z1 and Z2 is given by. So formula please remember Z minus Z1 bar by Z2 minus bar already. Okay, just a minute. Z minus Z1 by Z2 minus Z1. Z bar minus Z1 bar by Z2 bar minus Z1 bar. That is the form. In matrix form, how to write determinant form? Z bar 1, Z1 bar 1, Z2 bar 1 is equal to 0. That is the equation of the line. But how to get this one? It's very simple, dear students. What is that? See here, simple direct I'm writing. I'm not deriving. Argument of Z minus Z2 must be same as argument of Z1 minus Z2. That is the proof. So this one, argument of Z1 minus Z2 means how to write? Argument of Z minus Z2 by Z minus Z. Z1 minus Z2 is equal to 0. Argument of any complex number is 0 means you should understand that is purely real. Argument that means for imaginary part must be 0. Purely real means for the formula Z is equal to Z bar. Apply. You can that is I wrote here, see. From that case I wrote here, see. Z is equal to Z bar concept. Okay. I'm proceeding. See. After completing, tell me please. Same point here. Why argument is same? Because 3 points rise on the same line means same line. Argument must be same angle. So argument of Z minus Z2 is equal to argument of Z minus Z1 minus Z2. Otherwise, argument of Z minus Z1 is equal to argument of correct like anyway, no problem. Finally, same answer is coming. Hmm. See. So this one also can be. See, this is a small example for you. You can practice your subdivision. Sometimes you're asking if Z1, Z2, Z3 are three complex numbers such that 5Z1 minus 13Z2 plus 8Z3 is equal to 0. Then prove that Z1, Z2 and Z3 are collinear. Really clear, it's very clear, yes, students. In the place of 13, you can write 5 plus 8, that is the proof. Nothing, okay, no? Yes, I'm giving like this, you can practice yourself. Now, concept is equation of a circle. Most of the question you can expect type format. What is that? Dear students, this is the choose any one complex number on the circumference. A Z0 is the center. Distance between these 2 points how much? R. So what the meaning? According to the definition, modulus of Z minus Z0 is equal to R. Equation of circle means what the case? See, this much is enough, but I am expanding this. Okay, no? After that, no use for squaring on both sides. So to write Z minus Z0 into Z minus. Up to here only enough sufficient, dear students. What is the equation of circle center means? Modulus of Z minus Z0 is equal to R. That's all. Now, if I am expanding, what is the result is coming here? Z into Z bar. Okay, minus Z into Z0 bar. Minus Z bar into Z0. Minus in minus R square is equal to 0. Let A is equal to minus Z0. And Z0 bar minus R square, because it's a real number. That is, take suppose B. Then what they have? What is the result? Z bar. Next, plus A Z bar plus A bar Z. So, which is general equation of a circle. In where? In organ plane or complex plane. Fine. Dear students, please remember this one. This one represents equation of circle. Center means Z0, radius means R. Clear? But in this case, what is center? Minus A not C. Center means minus A. What is the radius? In terms of A bar minus B under root. What is here? What is the center in this case? Minus A. What is the radius? R is nothing but root over A bar minus B. Only this part is enough. What is that? CM drawing. This is enough. Sometimes they are asking like this. So Z minus 2 plus 3I is equal to 5. What is the meaning? What is center? Do you know? That is 2 comma minus 3. Radius is 5. Sir, how are you writing this one? Simply here. Don't write this one, I'm writing C. You can verify. Whether it's forming circle or not, see, get ready. Some constants. Yeah, Z means for a constant. B is what? Yeah, these are real numbers. See, dear students, x minus 2 plus y plus 3 into y is equal to 5. What is the meaning? X minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 25. So, what is this? Circle. If you are taking z is equal to x plus I y, what is the format is coming? The circle is coming. That is the meaning. Modulus means root over x square plus y square format. Applying squaring on both sides, you can get this one. 5. Is required or not? We are thinking. Just a minute. Which one is required? See, just a minute. In the meanwhile, you can see carefully. A and B are real numbers, dear students. I'm saying A and B are what? Real numbers. How one? See, convert into Cartesian form. The complex plane. See, here what is the 2 minus 3? What is that? It's a number. Okay. I'm getting your point. See, this is the notation for circle. Means equation of the cannot say not notation. This is the equation of the circle representation. So here what is the area? Means what here we are reducing into this format. Then this is what equation of circle representation. Reducing into simplest form. Here A means here complex number. A and B are also complex numbers, but reducing to simplest form. Dear students. Okay, now A and B means complex numbers. Yeah, of course, but reducing to simplest form. So if this form is like this only, then this is called as equation of circle in complex plane. See, where is that? Yeah. If you see here, Z bar 1, this one also can reduce into simplest form. So here also can take some A is equal to B is equal to reduce into simplest form. But that is not required. How many is clear? A and B are also complex numbers, but reducing to simplest form. Which one is easy? This one or this one? Remembering this one is easier. So equation of this circle means Z bar plus A bar Z plus A Z bar plus B. So simply can read like this one. I'm giving one question. Yeah. See, condition for non-coordinate points, that means what here represents parallelogram, rhombus, square, rectangle. I think these are not required. Time taken. Standard loci in the organ plane. Dear students, 5-star. Get ready. Standard loci in the organ plane. Okay. If P of Z is a variable point and A of Z1, P of Z2 are two fixed points. Okay, are two fixed points. In the organ plane. Then 1. Dear students, see, I am drawing the picture. Anyone tell me? Here A is there, A of Z1, P of Z2 is there, for example. Okay. Modulus of Z minus Z1 is equal to modulus of Z minus Z2. What you can say this one? Anyone? Anyone? Dear students, some P of Z is there like that. What is the meaning? So length of AP is equal to length of BP. Here also take it. Here P is there. Length of AP is equal to length of PB. Here also. So what you are observing? Anyone? Anyone? That means here AP is equal to BP means what? Locus of Z is what anyone? Is the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining Z1 and Z2. Two. So once raise your hands, all of you. Mahesh Reddy, Parthiv Verma, Pranati, Rohit, Vaishnavi, Karthik. Anyone? Why? What about Raman students? Okay. Hands down. Two. Same thing. You should see carefully. Yeah. P of Z is there. Same 2D geometry is there. Same thing as is coordinate, like coordinate geometry. Yeah, I'm writing substitute. Modulus of Z minus Z1. Modulus of Z minus Z2 is equal to Z1 minus Z2. What is the meaning anyone? AP plus PB is equal to EB. What is the meaning, dear students? So locus of Z is the line segment joining Z1 and Z2. It's a line segment only. So Z1 minus Z2, dear students. What is this? Z minus Z2. What about its case? Z minus Z1. This length is like that. 3. I am writing another way. See, Z minus Z1 minus, when it is possible, this property anyone? AP minus BP is equal to AB. What is the meaning? A, B, P of Z. What is the meaning, dear students? Get ready. What is the meaning? No. Question number 3. What is the meaning? So this length is how much? I'm writing different color. See, this length is how much, dear students? Z minus Z1. See carefully up to here. This length is how much? Z minus Z2. Okay. What about this length? Z1 minus Z2. So what you are observing? Clearly, locus of Z is a ray. That's all. A ray. Sir, but when it is possible pair of straight lines? Anyone can you guess? Modulus of mod Z minus Z1, Z minus Z2 is equal to mod Z1 minus Z2. Represents pair of rays. Pair of rays. That is meaning. So like that is coming. Z1. Like that Z2. That's the meaning. Two directions. But main thing is, second one is very important. Dear students, frequently using 1 and 2. Okay. Next one. Star mark I'm giving. See, this one also. Frequently we are using this one. Second one also. Second one, when we say that line segment joining Z1, Z2 means what here? So Z1, Z, Z2 are collinear also, you can say like that. That is the meaning. So especially from this concept, so many questions were they are asking, dear students, especially this one, standard loci in the organ plane or the locus. By seeing the question only you can say if you know this concept. Right, get ready. So how many of you remembering, I don't know, ellipse, hyperbola concept I'm using now? Get ready. Fifth one. See, I'm giving the conditions. You will tell me. Modulus of z minus z1, z minus z2 is equal to k. This one. Suppose suppose this k is greater than z1 minus z2, for example. What are the locus? Anyone can you guess? PA plus PB is equal to k is coming constant. Anyone observing? P of z, A of z1, P of z2. What you are observing? Yes. Anyone? Ellipse is coming here. So hence, locus of z is an ellipse. Why idea is there? In an ellipse means what is the concept? SP plus S dash P is equal to A, where S and S dash are foci and P is any point on the ellipse. In this case, idea is there? So sometimes they are asking what is eccentricity. If they are giving like this, then what is eccentricity formula? AB by AP plus BP. That means how to write Z1 minus Z2 by modulus of Z1 Z minus Z1 Z minus Z2. Still you can write like that directly. This much process not required. Directly write out K. That's all. Z1 minus Z2 by K. Check it less than value. This value is coming how much? Eccentricity is less than 1 is coming. See carefully. Sixth property. Eccentricity means for the formula modulus of Z1 minus Z2 by K. C by A idea is there, same here also like that. Okay, one more condition, any one. Modulus Z minus Z1 minus Z minus Z2 is equal to K. This time, this constant is what? K. K less than modulus of Z1 minus Z2. What is the meaning? So this time diagram is coming like this. B of Z2, A of Z1. So somewhere is there, what is the P? P of Z. I get some. For the case, anyone? That means modulus of PM minus PB is equal to K. That's the meaning. That means for here, S dash P minus SP is equal to 2A constant like that. Hence, locus of P is, locus of Z. P means you have taken now. Okay, no problem. Locus of Z is what? Is a hyperbola. As usual, what is the eccentricity here? Anyone? Formula same. Z1 minus Z2 by K. In this case, greater than 1 is coming. Check it. So tomorrow completely discussing problems only, dear students. Don't miss the class. Nth roots of unity practice is required. Lot of practice is required here, students. Number of problems are there. Seventh one. Tell me after completing. Akhil completed? Rushita? Anyone? Rohit? Okay. So once again revise these formulas, okay? Seventh one. Anyone tell me? Z minus Z1 whole square plus Z minus Z2 whole square is equal to Z1 minus Z2. What you are observing this one? Anyone? Draw the picture. So based on this picture, at least tell me. This is the center. A of Z1, B of Z2. Some P is there. What you are observing? Anyone? So what is the meaning? AP square plus BP square is equal to AB square. What is the meaning? Anyone? Hence, locus of Z is a circle with Z1, Z2 as the end points of diameter. End points of the diameter, dear students. 8-1. Now 8-1, dear students, these are triple star, 5-star, anything. Okay. Previous one is what here? See, 6th, 5th, 6th means very rare case we are using. Okay. But 8th one is compulsory questions. Z minus Z1 is equal to K times Z minus Z2. Yes, we'll see in bracket K must be not equal to 1. If K is equal to 1, what happens in 1? Therefore, locus of Z is a circle. That's the meaning. Still, you can write like this also. What is that? Another way. Modulus of Z minus Z1 by Z minus Z2 completely modulus is equal to K. Must be not equal to 1. This is the another definition for circle. K is what here must be belongs to R plus. Presents a circle. Check it. I'm giving, if you want, I will give one example. What is the example? See, dear students, verify. Z minus 1 is equal to modulus of some 3 into 3. I verify. Definitely circle is coming. Check it. What is the radius? Verify. Represents a circle. An example. If K is equal to 1, what happened? Till now, no one is saying. What is the answer? What happened? Anyone? If K is equal to 1, what is your answer? Anyone? Anyone? Perpendicular bisector here. K is equal to 1 means, but it's a perpendicular bisector. That's the meaning. Okay. Your place is not substitute, right? Let me see. Dear students, see, argument of Z minus Z1 by Z minus Z2 is equal to alpha. Fixed. Alpha means what here? It's an angle. Then Locus of Z is a circle. Which type of circle is already given? Better. Just a minute. Which type of circle I'm giving? Is a segment of a circle. Means here, for example, the circle is coming like this one. See, B of Z to P of Z, or maybe here or here, maybe P of Z, it can be anywhere. This is A of Z1. This is the angle. Dear students, see. Or here angle. This is the alpha or this one is alpha. Segment of circle this one. Suppose if alpha is 90 degrees, then what do you mean? Should be a circle. And these points must be n points of the diameter. That's the meaning. Represent now. That's one. Argument of z minus z1 by pi by 2 plus or minus whatever maybe. Dear students, see what the result is coming. Locus of z is a circle with z1, z2 as what is of diameter? That's the meaning. P of z2, A of z1. So dear students, see you take a diagram like this. This is pi by 2. P of z may be here or maybe here P of z. This angle is how much? Pi by 2 like that. So finally, argument of z minus z1 by 0 or pi. Therefore, locus of z is a straight line passing through z1 and z2. Right on. This is the concept. Yes, students completed. Concept is completed completely. Complex numbers. We'll discuss some problems. Get ready. Practice is good. That's why I'm giving, based on this one, I'm giving one matrix question, matrix matching. Dear students, I'm going to give one matrix matching. Get ready. What type of question you can expect? See, I'm giving. See, find locus of Z of the following equations. Okay, column 1, column 2, yes, students, see. Here, A, B, C, I'm giving modulus of Z minus 3, 10, D, 2Z minus 3 by Z minus I is equal to C, Z square plus mod Z bar square is equal to 5. D, Z minus 6 by Z minus 2y is equal to 3. Next one here, P, Q, R, S. Circle, hyperbola. By seeing the question, you can say some answers. Straight line, ellipse. Anyone getting idea here, students? Anyone? See here, option A, modulus of Z1 minus Z2. Please, anyone find out? Z1 is how much? 3 minus 5. How much coming, anyone? 3 square plus 1 square, which is less than 10. Less than 10 means what is the case, anyone? This value is less than k. K is greater than this number constant means what? Obviously, that is ellipse. Greater than k means hyperbola. Be careful. Is that? I'm writing 1 second. See. Z minus Z1, Z minus Z2 is equal to k. K should be greater than Z1 minus Z2 means what is the case? Ellipse. So practice is required here, students. B. See, option B. Some students are confusing, especially some students. Why? Because take 2 outside. Z minus 3 by 2 by Z minus I is equal to 2 cancel. Accepting this point here, students? Dear students, if you are observing, in this case, what is the K? 1. K is 1 means what is your answer here? Locus of Z is straight line. Other than 1 means it's a circle. Shall we try? Shall we expand this one? How it is possible? Let's see. X minus 3 by 2 whole square plus y square is equal to x square plus y minus 2 whole square. How do you know, right? Z minus I means what? X plus y, I minus I. How to write? X plus y minus I into y. Like that. So squaring of both sides. Simplify. X square term is cancelled. Y square term is cancelled. Degrees 1 is coming. That's what it's a straight line. Excellent question is what? BR. What about D? Anyone? Can you guess D? K is equal to 3 means what? Obviously this is circle. It's a circle. Ticket. Not hyperbola. Circle. What about C? Hyperbola. What is C? Z square means what? X plus IY whole square. Modulus means what here? X square, X minus IY. Modulus is there. Verify. Just a minute. Please expand this. What the result is coming, anyone? X square plus 2IXY minus Y square. What about this one? X square plus Y square is equal to 5. Hyperbola is coming, check it. X minus iy. Modulus means what? Root over x square plus y square. Root cancel. X square, 2x square. Xy is equal to 0. A minute, yeah. Second one, see option C. Z square plus mod z bar square. Yeah, fine, now. What result is coming? Check it. Z square. X square plus 2axy I square minus y square. Okay, correct. This one. Modulus means x plus x square plus y square. Okay, y square cancel. 2x square is equal to 5. And xy is equal to 0. Comparing real parts. 5 plus 0i. X square is equal to 5 by 2 is coming. Xy is equal to 0. Xy is equal to some constant is required now. That means let me say maybe modulus is there or not. How to check it? Check it, this one. If modulus is not there, what happens here? Just so we can verify. I think modulus is not there, suppose. What happened? Let me see. X square plus 2yxy minus y square. And also x square. Next, minus 2yxy minus y square equal to 5. Okay. Modulus is not there, dear students. Z square plus z bar square is equal to 5. Okay. That means 2 times x square minus y square is equal to 5. X square minus y square is equal to 5 by 2. Rectangular hyperbola. Correct. So, dear students,